those estate sales, when they come in, they're being priced too high. And so, and it's not giving room for, even if one of those buyers actually were interested to put in an offer on one of those, they can't even get them because the sellers want too much money for those things. So that's one of the things that I think is going to be tricky this year, is a lot of those estate sales, probates, divorce, with kind of outdated, dated property going to hit the market, and they're going to kind of flood the market a little bit, and investors and home buyers alike are not going to be able to get those deals, and those houses are going to sit on the market for a while.
Well, I think that's a function of supply and demand. As the house sits and nobody buys it, I think the seller will come down on the price. Or you mentioned investors. An investor will probably buy it, rehab it, and sell it, and probably get a good price for it. But those properties that have been rehabbed by investors, they're doing tremendous jobs. They're